Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by cutting risk. Unplug the charger and remove it from all devices. Use a magnifier and good light to confirm whether the metal shell, pins, or plastic tongue are bent. Once done, clear debris with isopropyl and a soft brush. This prevents shorts. Place the barrel on a flat, stable surface and cover pliers with cloth to avoid scratching. Make sure to separate power and data cables. You want controlled, minimal force when you begin corrective action. You now focus on the bent metal and pins. Support the connector body so you apply force only where needed, otherwise you risk tearing solder joints. Use a plastic spudger to nudge internal pins back toward flat, small, incremental moves preserve contacts. Once the pins look parallel, wrap the shell with cloth and use padded pliers to bend the outer metal back into shape. Do this in tiny steps. After each adjustment, test fit into the device without powering on, and then inspect alignment visually. You finish by ensuring mechanical stability and electrical safety. Re-inspect solder joints and insulation. If anything is cracked or exposed, stop. Once confident, plug into a low-risk device or an inline USB tester to monitor voltage and current. Keep the charger visible for the first minute to catch heat or unusual behavior. If it stays cool and supplies steady current, seal any gaps with a small piece of heat shrink or tape. If problems continue, replace.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.